Okay, so I don't usually do these kinds of videos, but I thought I'd give it a shot today. And this one's really awesome because I would just like to pay or give appreciation to the guys and girls doing this as their job to put bread on the table. To your left, this legend, clearly the veteran in the situation, and they are doing a transit. So this is not a cash in transit, because I think they were transporting cell phones, or this was the decoy vehicle or something like that. There was a lot of information going around or flying around the web. But as you can see, he's looking in his mirrors, so he's got something going on already. He's picking up on something already. So in a second here, you're gonna see the first suspect vehicle roll by, and it is a motherfucking Ford Ranger, a white one. You'll see it pass his window, and there's the first suspect vehicle. And now we got a dash cam here going, so you'll see the Bucky heads out in front of him. He still thinks something's wrong, and boom, shots fired. Shots are being fired at the bulletproof windows, you can see. And this is the new Land Cruiser that he's using. And you can see he asked to see his fellow colleague to cock the assault rifle, which is pretty awesome because you can hear by the shots that they're shooting that they have normal pistols. You can see him slam into the Ranger there. And as far as vehicles are concerned, another meme just popped up there. Kom je kont, a typical South African saying, or the P word. But yeah, you can see the reason I did this video is this guy's amazing driving skills and just the way that he handles the situation. You can see the assault rifle there with a nice AUG scope on, so clearly sorted for this kind of situation. Both bulletproof vests, he's got his sidearm as well. So yeah, and I think he handled the whole situation. I don't think they could have handled it any better, and this guy's just a fucking legend in my eyes. So yeah, if everyone's mostly, well, not everyone, but this has been flying all over the web. Everyone's seen this video. Some have seen the full video, which is this one, and others have seen a shorter video. You do see them get stuck at the end, but be assured both guys are A-okay, and they did an interview recently with this guy. I'm not giving out any names. The media has done that, but I feel that it was wrong, because now you're putting this guy's life in danger basically. And he's asking for this dude to call these other two guys, and I don't know who to be more scared of. If this guy's such a legend, I don't know who they're calling on that phone to come and assist, because damn, they're probably coming with tanks or something. Yeah, and this dude just, I don't know, he just handled the situation to the T. Clearly the veteran. As far as I understand, he is a sniper or was a sniper for the special forces of SAPS. You can see him getting out of the vehicle there and just taking care of business. But everyone escaped, and no one was injured, thankfully. Well, none of the good guys were injured, thankfully. But yeah, that's what it's like down here in SA.